Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can view the battery health maximum capacity on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we then scroll down and in here, tap on Battery. Next, tap on Battery Health and Charging. Then at the top here, you'll be able to find the maximum capacity. Now this is a measure of battery capacity relative to when it was new. Lower capacity may result in fewer hours of usage between charges. So the higher the better. If you're at 100%, that means the phone battery is very new and it can last you for a very long time throughout the day. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.